Mohabbat talks about Gurukul, where two opponents, like Amitabh Bachchan was the principal, but he was anti-romance. He had anti-romance policy because his daughter also committed suicide. She was in love with SRK, who was a student at Gurukul, but Big B was not actually very much fond of him, and he told her to keep a distance. And when Ashwarya came to know that this matrimonial alliance will never be settled, she didn't have any option and she committed suicide. And SRK still felt her soul talk to him. That was quite weird, but every step we can see the soul is there and she's having a conversation with SRK. So he comes later, after a few years, he comes over to Gurukul as a music teacher and teaches the students music and starts telling them the importance of love. And then he shares his story about Aishwarya Rai, who was the daughter of Gurukul's principal. And Amitabh Bachchan and SRK both were at loggerheads at times. They had arguments because he didn't want the students to do anything except study. But because of his persistent effort, he was able to change the attitude, and Big B also realized his folly. And it's a musical extravaganza though. Even Jimmy Shergill is there. Lots of characters are there. 3-4 pairs, and then this Jugalhans Raj, and etc. etc. And there is also Helen in one dance sequence. Then there is Archana Puran Singh along with Anupam Kher. They were the funny characters, hilarious couple. And Amitabh Bachchan actually he had to give up. And in the last part of the movie, he actually acknowledges the students and recites the previous events, what happened. And he says that it was my fault that I didn't realize that love is so very important and music is the soul of. Without music, love cannot flourish. So bottom line, even if you are highly educated or you aim to sit for IIT, whatever, etc., etc., don't think that music can be taken away from. Music is just like it's the music of the soul. Without music, life will not taste good. And love is the only ingredient which encompasses all. And without love, no money, no wealth, no fame can ever exist. So love is the most important ingredient in any dish and in any person's life. 4 stars.